This is my passive batch solar water heater. Shut down for the winter. It's January the 2nd. I'll run it about 8 months out of the year. All it is, an old hot water heater, stripped out, painted black, put under glass. The glazing is two old sliding glass storm doors, so they're double insulated. It's insulated in the bottom for keep the heat in. Temperature it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Temperature inside the box about 100 degrees. Had really good luck. It's set up to run for about 8 months out of the year here at my latitude, and it does very well. It actually heats the water while I'm using it, hotter than what I keep my domestic heater inside. And I just use this for a preheater. So the cold water comes out here, and then the hot water goes back in and dumps right into my domestic water heater. Works really well. Many times in the summer, temperature inside the box will be 150 degrees. I don't know for sure what the temperature of the water actually is, but it should be very close to that. Easy, cheap, works really well. One more green solution.